create NC file. For NC file, we don't want this footing and all. So I just double click outside, then go to the object group. Here you can see already we created, removed this sheet, gutter and all. Similar way, I just remove here footing also. Then I just make it like this. Then modify. You can see all the footings and all removed. You can see here this one also we don't want. Just keep it as it is, no problem. We don't want actually this anchor bolt and all. Definitely. Double click this one. Here it is anchor bolt. That also if you want you can remove that one. But if you are just go here, make it anchor. Then I modify anchor also remove. Now we can create NC file. For that I just go to here, open folder, model folder. We don't have any DSTV file currently. Once we create NC file, you will get it here, DSTV folder. DSTV for plate and DSTV for profile, you will get it here. Profile means these all the beam, purlin, column, that everything profile. Actually this purlin also we don't want to create NC file, but I just show you all the profile we can create it. Now I select complete model, or you can I select few things only. I just select it because if I select this complete model it will take more time, so I just select this area only and select this also. So here it is covered, beam, plate, everything. So now I just go to here, select here export, then select here NC file. Then you can select here DSTV for plate, then select DSTV for profile. If you need pop-up mark and contour marking, you have to mark it like this. Then selected part or all part. We need to create selected part. If you given here all part, all the parts will create in NC file. Now I just go to create. It is created. Now I just close this one. Next I go to open model folder. Now you can see here DSTV plate. Here it is created DSTV plate NC file. This is NC file. Then if you go here DSTV for profile, you will get it the column, and here it is L profile. So this is all the thing created. So same the way you can select all the members and you can create NC file for this project.